And what I'm going to do is plan this shape of an ice pop or a lollipop, ice lolly, whatever you want to call it. Whatever country you're in, you probably have a different name. I'm going to draw a little curve like that. And I'm going to want my circles sort of about like that. Okay, now you can get coins to draw around there if you want. You can use rulers and all sorts of things if you want. And then we're going to want to write Daddy Cool down here. So we leave lots of space for the writing down there. Now we're going to start with the hat. So it's going to go just slightly off shape. And then that will curve across there. And then we're going to curl it around like that. And then we're going to have here D, and another D inside it with a little dot, and C with a little C inside it, and then join them together in a dot. So that stands for Daddy Cool. And we want to join these shades. Cool shades, Daddy Cool shades, like that. So we want these circles. Nice. Well, I say it's an easy shape, but it's not really, is it? They're not that easy to draw, circles. And then we want to draw these inner circles. This is probably quite hard. Just take your time and get all the way around. And then I can draw a circle, and then like a jelly bean, a little kind of blob like that. And then we'll shade it all in a minute. Make sure that you've got the edges there. This is going to come down there and there, and then we're going to join them up at the bottom with a curve. And then we'll finish the whole thing off with a lolly stick. We can make that just a bit more fancy by putting a little bit of shade in there as well. It's really difficult getting lettering to fit. So I'm going to plan this out a little bit. D-A-D, D-Y. So you want sort of same space on either side. And I think cool is just a slightly shorter word than daddy. Or we'll have an exclamation mark. So, so I'm going to draw a line down and a curve, semicircle like that, a line down and a semicircle inside. So it's like a little D inside of a big D. And here I'm going to draw a line across and then down on either side, a line across and a line across, up, across and down. And then a little triangle in the middle. And then another D with a D inside it. Another D with a D inside it. And then we want a Y. So we want these two lines across joined with a V. They come down to about there and then straight down and across. Now, round letters like a C and an O, they need to go above and below the line a bit. So we'll just make them just slightly bigger, and then we'll draw another C inside and draw them, join them together. The O goes slightly above and below the line, slightly above and below the line. And then we want the O's in the middle, like that. And then we'll draw our L like that and an exclamation mark. If you know that your ink is completely dry, then you can erase those pencil lines and your Daddy Cool will say, "Hey, that's cool. How did you do that so neatly? How did you plan it out?" And you'll go, "Well, I'm just cool." You can be cool as well. I think our Daddy Cool needs a bit of a Daddy Cool kind of smile with a little bottom lip like that. I'm going to get my brush pen here and I'm going to ink in all this shades. I'm going to shade in the shades. That's a bit like a dad joke, that one, isn't it? It's not even a joke. It's not even funny, really. But, you know, well, I'm a dad myself, so I'm allowed to do dad jokes. My favourite dad joke is, what's brown and sticky? Hey, stick!
Oh no!
Oh, yeah. Now, look, go down there and click that subscribe button and keep coming back to Draw Stuff Real Easy for lots more drawing videos. Or you can go to drawstuffrealeasy.com and you can get all of this advert free, plus lots of extra images to help you, and you can get them on the app. Join in, chat, all sorts of stuff. Get a parent, teacher, or guardian to help. And now we're going to put a little bit of shading in here just to make it a bit fancy. So this is going to come around and up there. So this comes across, up and across, across, and all the way up the side. Just put a little dot in there. This come across and around, up, across. This is coming around. Now I'm getting very close to the letters there. Some people would maybe get to the point where they think, oh no, I've ruined it. But don't worry. It's only because you've drawn it. You're so close to it. You know, you can see, oh, I made a little mistake there. I touched the side and I shouldn't have done. It is more important to keep going and finish the card so you can give it to your daddy cool on Father's Day. It's much more important that than worrying about if you've made a little mistake that no one is even going to notice. Just keep going, keep going. And then inside you can put happy, start 2 lines and a whoosh like that. And I'm going to do this funny A, all right? So it's around like that and then like a C, isn't it? And so we'll do P, P, Y. And then we're going to do fathers. We'll do that A again. So it's like a curve, it's like a bend, isn't it? T, H, E, R, and then we want an apostrophe. Got to get the grammar right. So it's a possessive apostrophe, which means like it's the day of the father, isn't it? Father's Day. So we put a D, A, put that little A in there again, and a Y, and maybe an exclamation mark. And then we can just make it a bit fancy with these 3 little lines like that. Oh, and another one. Then all you need to do is colour it in and subscribe to Draw Stuff Real Easy before you give your fantastic new card to Dad on Father's Day. Thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed and I'll see you next time. Bye.